Hello everyone and welcome back to DataSkills YouTube channel. This is Karthik Dale. Today I have got something truly exciting to share with you. You know how much we love for Tambola game, right? Well, get ready to experience a whole new twist on an old favorite game. Introducing Word Tambola. That's right. Guys, I have taken the traditional game of Tambola, also known as Housey, and given it a modern makeover. Instead of the numbers from 1 to 90, we are diving into the world of words. And the best part, it's all automated, thanks to Excel VBA macros. Let me walk you through what makes this Word Tambola game so special. First off, the template is fully customizable. Whether you are playing with family, friends or colleagues, you will never run out of fun. Let me demonstrate how this template works.
Once you open this workbook, Word Tambola 2.0 template, it will shows all these 5 sheets. First sheet is all about copyright, about this template, and about data skills. You will find about data skills, some videos, Power BI, Excel, and many other things. You can find it here. And in the third sheet, you'll find the actual game. So you need to write all the player names here and the respective email IDs. Then select the category, which category of the game you want to play. For example, you want to play like sports related, you select the sports. You have many other options also. If you want, we can customize many other categories as well. Select the sports and let me select the IPL. So you can write the subject, body, and so on. And you also give the some folder path. Let's say I given the folder path of some tickets, so that will create all the tickets in that folder. Fine. So let me generate the Tambola tickets. Once I click on generate Tambola tickets, it is generating for all these people. Tambola tickets have been created successfully. You see that search, he got Surya Kumar Yadav, Arjun Tendulkar, Tilak Verma, and so on. You'll find the MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, all that interesting players' names. You'll find it in it. So you see that Urmila was the last participant. She got all these names. Virat Kohli also, one of my favorite. So fine, great. We generated the Tambola tickets for the how many people? 21 players, correct? It need not to be 21 players. It can be 2,000 or 20,000. It works seamlessly. Fine. Then next, sending emails. We have their email IDs, right? Just click on the send email and it will send it automatically. Just that you need to have the Outlook. So let me click on the send emails. You see here, it is sending emails one by one. Uday Sangani, here is your Word Tambola, here is a ticket and also attachment. Sushma is receiving Sushma ticket, correct? Like once you send the emails, that important part is playing the game. Let me click on the play sheet. Once you click on the play sheet, like here you see, click on the play button so that randomly some name comes. And one more time, Shreyas Iyer and Rachin Ravindra and so on. After playing for some time, one of the participants may say that, hey, I got the first five. Whether it is right call or not, if you want to verify, you go back and check out. Sir said he got first five. Where is that five? Not even one. And Nikta got like one, two, three, and so on. Like this, you can cross verify. This green is nothing but they got that name. So in that ticket. So if I keep clicking the play, you will see that another names came here. So that's how this needs to be played. If any case you want to reset, click on the reset button, click on the yes.
Tambola number game be given at zero cost to more than 500 corporate companies. This template took lot of efforts and we are planning to give this template with price. Now, are you ready to play this game? You can WhatsApp, call at 8297 444 to purchase this template. Trust me, your colleagues and friends will thank you for it. As you know, the word Tambola game created in Excel, by now you have probably realized that we are expert in Excel. Yes, you're right. At DataSkills, we provide training in Excel, VBA, Microsoft SQL Server, Power BI, Tableau, Python, and many other applications. With over 15 years of teaching expertise in these technologies, we have trained more than 20,000 working professionals, both online and also offline. We have also conducted training sessions for numerous corporate clients across India at the CXO level. We also provide Microsoft Office Specialist certification. We are authorized test center to conduct that exam. and we also work with many reports. We automate the reports by using the VBA macros, by using the Power Automate, Power Query, Power Apps. We also create beautiful dashboards by using the Excel, by using the Power BI and Tableau. That's it for today. I hope you like the Word Tambola game. Feel free to write your suggestions, comments. For more interesting videos, hit the like button and subscribe to DataSkills YouTube channel. This is Karthik Dale signing off.